Oh, wait. Do I have bad connection? Okay. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Jeff Schwan here with Schwan Associates, Chartered Professional Accountant. Today, I am actually on site with Travis Boyce with Boyce Renovations and Contracting. So let's welcome Boyce. Travis. How do I rotate this? Nope, I'm screwing up already. Hey, Travis.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good. So, hey, Travis, tell us a little bit about yourself and how long you've been in the construction industry and why you decided to start Boyce Contracting and Renovations.
Well, I've been in construction for 18 years now. Started right out of high school, just being on the farm, tinkering with all kinds of wooden projects. Grandpa was a carpenter, my uncle's a carpenter. So I just found a passion for it. Took lots of shop in high school, so I knew that's what I was going to be when I graduated. So yeah, 18 years construction, and 4 years on my own. Love what I do.
So today we're on site. We're doing a bathroom renovation for one of your clients. Is that correct?
Yes. Just a couple of vanities, and then the homeowners are going to paint themselves.
Okay. Do you offer any other services besides bathroom renovations?
Yes, basements, a lot of custom finishing, so I can replace all your slabs, your casings, baseboards, whatever you need to modernize your home. Or then I got a whole fleet of trades underneath me, and a bunch of people I know that if there's something I can't do, I got people that can do it for you.
There's people you know, there's resources you can lean on that you vetted and trust.
You bet.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the job you're working on here. We're going to go into the bathroom and look at the before.
Yeah, so today's demo day. So this is what the one bathroom that I'm just completing up now looked like. It's the banjo countertop, your typical vanity, and then they want me to rip up the flooring just because of the vanity, because the new ones are pre-hung. And just modernize it.
So they're just renovating just to kind of...
Yeah, just give it a bit of a facelift.
Okay, nice. How long does this renovation usually take? Will this take?
I'm on day 4 of the renovation.
Day 4?
Day 4, yeah. So, so the demo day, obviously I can only do one at a time, so they have a bathroom to use. So the other one we're finished, just finished up this morning. Just got to hang a mirror and coat it, or then the homeowners will be giving a coat of paint, and then I'm going to start demoing this one today. Make some noise.
Right, because there's 2 bathrooms we're actually renovating, right? In that, so let's go take a look at how the other bathroom is doing. So here's the other bathroom. As you can see, it's already work in progress. The other vanity is in.
Yeah, the door is done. The flooring, they wanted a bit of a modern look, so we got some mosaic mixed in with some other tile.
And this is day 4 of this.
Yes, this is day 4. Yeah, so we're just finishing up this one and starting the other one. So that one there will be taking another 3 to 4 days.
You'll have this one completed today?
Yes. Minus the baseboard, because when we have the other bathroom ready for baseboard, we'll just do baseboards on both at the same time.
Right. So if someone wanted to reach out to you, you provide free estimates, free consultations?
So these customers contacted me in November of last year, and just kind of wanted a price to see what they had to kind of save up for. So since then, they had purchased all the tiles, the vanities, and had everything they wanted. And once they gave me a phone call and said it's good to go, I just set them in line with my schedule, and just here today.
So how can someone else reach out to you if they're looking for some services? You want to give us your number?
Oh, you can reach me at 780-721-0025. And I got a Facebook page with Boyce Contracting and Renovations.
Yeah, it was tagged in the description, so you can click on the link there, and you can see more of his Facebook stuff and reach out. Awesome. So there you have it, guys. That's Boyce Contracting and Renovations. Been in the industry for 18 years. Someone I trust. someone who I'm going to meet with in the future to develop my basement for sure, and the renovations that I'm going to want in my house in the future. So if you are looking for someone to reach out to for a job you've been thinking about doing, reach out to him, and he'll be happy to come out and discuss that with you. All right, everyone, enjoy the rest of your afternoon. It's a hot one, so stay cool and hydrate.